Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about how I get this bike up into the bed of my Tundra pickup truck. So let's get into it. Throughout this video, I'm going to be talking about the ramp, the stand, and the rack. Okay, once I get the lift gate down, I just stick my ramp right up on the lift gate. I'm going to back my bike up in, and the reason I'm doing that is I want to back it into the bike stand so that the bike stand can hold it. I'm going to jump up in the truck now, pull up the stand, move the wheel around so I can close the lift gate a little bit, close the tailgate. Once I get the tailgate closed, then I'm just going to pick the bike up and stick it over on the pad. And then I'm going to take the bike stand and stick it under the rear wheel to give it some stability. Okay, here I go putting it into the truck with the rack in the back of the Tundra. Get the ramp down, push the bike in head first, stick the front wheel in the bike stand, come up into the truck now, and I'm going to take off the front wheel, attach the front wheel to the rack. Then I'm going to get the through axle through there, get it good and snug. Then I'm going to take the front wheel. I have a little place that it fits right in, Velcro it in there. Going to take the stand, put it under the rear wheel, come out of the truck now, and I'm going to put the ramp in the back of the truck, close it up, and I'm good to go. Okay, unloading with the tailgate pad. I'm going to come in. First thing I'm going to do is take the stand off the rear wheel, pick the bike up off the pad, move the rear wheel into the stand, drop the tailgate, push the ramp out, and lay it on the tailgate. Come out of the bed of the pickup at this point, and I'm going to get the bike, and I'm going to take it down the ramp head first. And here I go, pop it out of the stand, and just roll it right down the ramp, and I'm ready to go. Okay, unloading the bike when it's attached to the rack. Put the ramp out the back. Make sure it's solid in there. Get up in the truck. I'm going to detach the bike from the rack. First thing, get the front wheel out, so I'll have that ready to mount back onto the fork. Go in and pull the through axle back out here. And once I get that out, I can just very easily move the bike back just a little bit, and then attach the front wheel on the bike. Get the front wheel on there. Once again, the stand's helping me hold the bike in place while I'm doing all this. Get the through axle in and tightened up. Now I'm going to move the stand to the front of the bike so it can hold the bike in place while I get out of the bed of the truck. So put the stand under the front wheel. Once I get that up in there good, I'm going to get out of the truck bed, go around to the back, and I'm going to just roll the bike off the truck bed, rear wheel first. So just backing it right out of there, getting it lined up good, and just take her down slowly, get her off of the ramp, set it against the truck, put the ramp back into the truck bed here, and I'm now ready to go. Okay guys, here's how I made the ramp. Started off with these materials: an old mountain bike tire, 4.5 inch PVC, 68 inch plank, and some 3/4 PVC pipe. The basic tools I had were a marker, stapler, scissors, heat gun, drills, and screws. First thing I did was cut the 3/4 PVC pipe to 60 inches. Here I go cutting it on my saw. Then I drilled some holes in it, some small holes, and then I drilled some big holes on one side. Once I got those, I attached with bolts the PVC to the plank. Then I cut the mountain bike tire to length and attached it to the end of the plank. Once I got that, I took the 4 1/4 PVC pipe, measured 7 inches, cut the 7 inches on my saw. Then I sawed a straight line down one side of the PVC, took my heat gun, applied heat, flattened it. Once I got it relatively flat, I measured 7 inches on that. I took it to my saw and cut it, cut it at 7 inches, attached it to one end of the plank. Once I got it attached, I applied heat to it. The purpose of the heat was to bend it so that it would angle on right onto the tailgate of my truck. So here's the finished ramp. One end I've got the mountain bike tire to give it some grip so it won't slip. The PVC pipe will hopefully keep the wheels from running off the side of the ramp when you're pushing it up in the truck. And the PVC pipe at the top gives you a nice little smooth entree into the bed of the truck. So that's how I made my ramp. Well, there you have it, guys. That's how I get my bike in the bed of my Tundra. I hope I've given you something to think about, and I'll see you at the top.